Now, observe here, cause of buoyant force. What is the cause of buoyant force? See, most of the children will learn what is buoyancy force and what is the factors which will affect buoyancy force. Coming to the cause, so many don't know what is exactly happening also. So now that is why we have to study very carefully. So now observe here, everyone. Let me consider one kind of container. So let me take where it is some container I will take. So okay. Imagine this is what one big container. Is it okay, Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
if
sir.
you notice it, so as we all people know, this is what the container. Now, let us imagine water is present. What is this? Water.
Water is present.
Water only I am taking because water is the well-known liquid for us, so that I am considering water. Okay. So now, definitely people all will understand very nicely. So this is what I have taken. What is this, Monish? Tank. Let me imagine water tank. Okay. So now
Okay, sir.
you will notice it. Basically, I have taken some kind of a solid. Let me take again this solid and I will try to make it. So imagine this is what my solid I have been taken. Is it okay, guys? This is
Yes,
what.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now observe very carefully. Forget about this solid. I don't want anything. Now you tell me, Elmokil, let me choose the 3 points. As we know, if you keep on going down, the pressure increases or decreases. If you keep on going down, so what is
Increases.
happening, guys? What is happening, guys?
That increases.
Sir,
Yes,
increases.
no, that is what I am saying you. Yes, Jayvarsini, if you keep on going down, the pressure
Yes,
is
sir.
setting on us. Pressure
That is increasing.
increases. Yes, sir, Elmukil, understanding? Pressure keep on
Yes,
increases.
sir.
Yes, Darun. Now, if you consider at the top,
Yes,
let me imagine this is the point A and this is the point B. This is what already the known concept to us. Now, point C, where the pressure is more,
E,
or
sir.
point C. Clear? Point C is greater compared to the point B and point A it is less. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, one more point I said. Have you noticed it? For let me consider now. This is what the container. So this is what the liquid present here. This is what the liquid present here. Now, I am not keeping different places here or not. Now, for example, let me choose middle of the container here. Yelamukil will keep hole here. Pradosh will keep hole here. Yeah, next, Maunis will keep hole here. Now, all at the same level. All at what? All at
Same
the
level.
same level. What I said property,
Same level.
see, maybe height pressure increases or decreases, but at a given height, what is happening pressure? All the directions it will be equal.
Same.
Is it yes or no? That is what I said, Pascal's law. Yesterday I have taught you, day before yesterday. Do you remember? All the at that given depth, understanding, at a given depth, the pressure is exerting in all the directions is what? The pressure exerting in all the directions is what, guys?
Pascal.
Equal.
Pascal illa. All the directions is, it is equal. So it is balanced forces. Understanding? So pressure exerted, EX, ER, pressure exerted in all the directions, is equal. That is what that law is called as Pascal's law. Water amount is something you will speak, correct? All the directions is undiminished. Undiminished means what, Pradosh? Undiminished means not, understanding. All sides are equal, not unequal. That is the meaning of undiminished. This law is only called as what? What we used to call
Pascal's law.
Pascal's law.
Pascal's law.
Something you will say, that is what Ramone simply you will say is correct. So now if you take any kind of container, understanding, suppose here this is what the depth you have been taken. At this point, the pressure exerting on back side, front side, left side and right side, all the directions is pressure is what? Devarshini, pressure is same, understanding.
Right.
That is what we can say, pressure is equally distributed or undiminished. This is only known as what? Pascal's law. Is it okay, guys? Now, as we know, according to the Newton's third law, now both forces are same but opposite directions. So what will happen? Both will get cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this
sir.
is F1 and this is what? Minus F2. Both are equal. Then what will happen? Both forces are balanced. Is it any displacement? No. Correct, guys? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Coming to here buoyancy also. Now, I have taken a object at a given height. Let me take, this is what the height I have taken. This is what the object. Now, what is this surface called as? Upper surface or bottom surface? Upper surface or bottom surface? This is called as what? Yeah,
Upper.
upper face. Is it, will you accept it? This is what we should
Yes,
call
sir.
upper face.
Upper surface.
Upper face or upper surface. This is called as upper face, and this is called as what? Upper.
Down.
This is called as what?
Bottoms.
Lower face.
Lower face.
Now, imagine, brothers, and tell me from the top till here upper surface, the distance is, example, let me consider 10 centimeter. Now from the top, the bottom surface is, let me consider 15 centimeter. So it's okay. What is the height of this object? 5 centimeters. Is it okay?
5 centimeters.
Yes. Now you tell me, if you are really smart enough, you tell me now where the pressure is greater, upper face or lower face?
Lower face. Sir.
Sir, lower face.
Lower face. Why
Lower
lower
face.
face? Why can't upper face?
Sir, because the distance is more. No, sir.
Yes, because the lower face is inside, more deeper than the upper face. Are you understand what I am saying, Jayvarsini? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now if you consider the pressure at this given height, given depth, all the directions what it is, Elmukil. Just now we studied here. All the directions it is what? Balanced. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Same.
Directions it is equal. So that can I cancel this pressure? So this force
Yes, sir.
we cannot calculate this force. Understand why? Because both the direction, all the directions it is equal. So action and opposite side you can see remains it is in horizontal level only. Yes or no? So remains it is in horizontal level. So that what is happening? The right side of the body are equals to left
Left side
side,
of the
but in opposite. Yes or no, guys? So the pressure at horizontal level remains same. Understand, Ra? So the forces exerted by the liquid on left and right side of the body are equal. And what is that? Left side and right side.
Opposite.
Equal and opposite. Equal and opposite. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, here from the top, some force is acting. That is what we can say. Let us consider downward force. What is this force?
Downward force.
Downward force. So now this downward force, let me imagine F2. Is it okay, guys? Downward force, what we used to call? F2. So now downward force means what? The force acting on the upper surface. Downward force means what? The force acting on the upper surface. Now the bottom surface also some force is exerting. Is it yes, guys? That is what we can say pressure. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, who is inside the water? More deeper inside. Who is more deeper inside? Upper surface, upper face or lower face?
Lower face.
Lower face. So now we can say lower face force is greater or lesser. Let me imagine this is upward force. So greater or lesser? Upward force. Upward force is only, let me imagine F1. Now bottom force is greater or upper surface is greater? Yeah, force. Upper
Bottom
face
only.
greater or lower face is greater? Tell Ra. Upper face is greater the force or lower face is greater the force?
Sir, lower face.
Lower
only, sir.
face.
Lower face only greater the force, correct? So that is what? At this depth, the pressure, the force is greater. So is it both will become equal? Downward and upward force? Downward and upward force will become equal. That is what I am asking. Is it will equal? They will never become equal, correct?
No, sir.
Downward face, lower face, more force is acting. Upper face, less force is acting. Is it they will become equal in vertical column?
No, sir.
Horizontal, it will become equal. But vertical, what will happen? The pressure is increase or decrease based upon the height of the liquid. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what will happen? So upward force will dominating the downward force. So that what will happen? The object will come to the surface of the
Surface of the water.
surface of the water. Suppose if downward force will dominate, what will happen? it will go on, will sink. Understanding? That is what you have to understand. So if downward force is dominating the upward force, then means more heavier object, then the body will go and will sink. If downward force will dominate, then what will happen? The body will come and will float on the surface. So now this is what the cause of buoyancy force. What is the cause of buoyancy force? At the horizontal point, the forces acting on the body is equal and opposite direction. But in a vertical way, the downward force is not equals to upward force. And this force is only we used to called as, what we used to call, guys? This upward direction is only called as buoyancy force. Understanding? This is what the cause of buoyancy force, because in upward direction, the pressure on the lower force is more. Which force is more, Prados? Where the force is more pressure? The pressure is more.
Lower face.
Lower
Lower
face. Pressure is more. As we know, what is the formula for pressure? Pressure is equals to what? Force by area.
Force by area.
Force by area. What is the relation between force and pressure? Pressure is directly proportional
Pressure
to
is
force.
directly
Force.
proportional
Yes.
to force.
Pressure increases, force also increases.
Proportional to
Now,
area.
Tarun, understand, Tarun? So now, lower face, greater pressure. Upper face, understanding, lower pressure. So that where the force is greater, where the force is lesser?
Sir, down greater.
Downward. Lower face, pressure is more. So that what is happening? Force is also greater. Understanding? Upper face, lower pressure. So that force is also what? Force is also less. Are you understand, Maunesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what you have to understand. So this is what the cause of what? Cause of buoyancy force. Understand, everybody? Yes.
Sir.
So if you, that is the reason behind it. So 2 points you have to remember always. So equal at horizontal point, at what is happening? Horizontal level, the always remains same, because the forces exerted on the liquid on left side and right side are what? They are equal and opposite, but in upper face and lower face, they are not equal. Understanding? Because upper face of an object will experiences low pressure, so that less force, and the bottom face will experiences what, Pradosh? Maunesh, it will experiences greater pressure, so that it is greater force. Is it okay, guys? Greater pressure, so that it is greater force. This is what we say, cause of buoyant forces. How many of you understand this, Devarshini? Elmokel? Yes?
Sir.
So that is what you have to understand. So now, as we know, two forces we have been assumed. One is downward force. What is downward force, guys? Downward force is F2. Correct or not? What is upward force? Upward force.
F1.
So now, this
F1.
one, if you subtract upward force minus downward force, we used to get remaining. That force is only called as net force. What we used to call? Net force. So net force means F1 minus F2, which is equals to, what is that? Upward force minus what?
Downward
Upward force minus downward force. Upward force minus downward force. This is what we can say. What is the formula for this, Ra? Net force. Clear? This is what you have to understand it. So this is what the cause of buoyancy force. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Yes.
No doubt, sir.
Now, but you have to explain the cause of buoyant force with only one diagram. Understanding? So what is the diagram? This is what. So 2 points here you have to remember. What is the 2 points? On a horizontal level, pressure is remains same both on left and right side directions, and downward and upward surfaces, what is happening? Upper face it will experiences less pressure, so that less force, and downward lower face will experiences greater pressure, so that
Greater force.
more greater force. Very good. This is what it is. So you can draw and you can explain with a diagram. And this diagram, why we should draw? Why we should draw this diagram, Monish? This diagram we have
Sir, all directions are
all
equal.
the directions at a given horizontal level. Understanding? At a given depth. That is what we can say horizontal level. Understanding? At horizontal level means what? For example, if we take this water bottle. This is what the water bottle. Understanding? So now where the pressure is greater? Here or here or here? This is P1, this is P2 and P3. This is, we know that. Where is
P3,
greater?
sir. P3.
P3 is greater than P2 is greater than P1. Yes or no? But P2, let me imagine. Now, P3, let me imagine 5 ATMs or 5 Pascals. What is that? And P2 is 3 Pascals and P1 is 1 Pascal. Is it okay, Ra? 1 Pascal.
Okay.
Now,
sir.
what I am saying, at this height, you can keep the hole here. You can keep the hole here. You can keep the hole back or front. Whatever it is, at this height, what is pressure? All the directions, it is only 3 Pascals. Are you understand, Ra? Elmakil? Pressure
sir.
is constant at this given depth. That is what we can say. Horizontal level, pressure is always equal and opposite. Understand, Jayavarsini and Mahalakshmi? Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So please draw these diagrams and try to explain your own. So 2 points alone you have to remember. And only Darun, have you understand Darun this one? Okay. And last
Yes, sir.
point you have to write. Net force is equals to what? F1 minus F2. That is what? Upward force minus
Downward force.
downward force. Now I will say, please write that point. That's all. This is what we can say. The buoyancy forces always, which is acting upward direction. That is only cause for what? Ra? Reducing our weight of the body in the swimming time. Understanding? During swimming time, why we will feel our body weight is less? Because somebody pushing from the down. Understanding? So that what will happen? We will feel less weight. Understand, okay? That is the reason behind why we'll feel less weight during swimming. Because from the bottom, somebody is pushing. Who is that? Upward force called as buoyant force is pushing us upward direction. Buoyant force is pushing us upward direction. So because of that reason, we people will feel our body is what? That reduces the weight of the body. So who will reduces the weight of the body? Buoyant forces. That is what you have to remember. So because of buoyant forces only, understanding, reduces the weight of the body. Weight of the body. Any doubt this one? Clear?
No, sir.
Now, for example, as I said, now let me take one example. Now, suppose if you are a fisherman, imagine you people will go to catch the fishes, correct, with the help of one stick and one rope. Have you noticed it?
Sir.
Yes, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you please remember. So now you will see what will happen. We people can send one rope. Is it Jayavarsini? Are you understanding? Here one hook will be there. So now let me imagine.
Sir.
Yes, the fish came and caught here. So now you can notice it. So now it is stick to this. Now if you notice it, why if you are lifting from the water, understanding, till here, till the fish is reaching to the surface of water, the stick won't bend much. Are you understand what I am saying? The stick won't bend much. Why? The actual weight of the fish is inside the water is less. Are you understanding? So actually the weight of the fish inside the water is less. This is only we can say apparent weight. What we used to call? Apparent weight. So when the fish is inside the water, we people can easily lift it. So that we can observe. Next time if you are running real experience, you can experience it. Our stick will never bend much. And we no need to lift it very difficulty also. Easily we can carry. Once the fish will come to the surface of air. I understand, Ra? Once it will comes to the surface of air, then you can see our stick always will bend more and we have to lift it very heavily. Understand, Ra? If not, the fish will again fall into the water. So we have to lift it. By that time, when it will reaches to the surface of water, automatically our stick will bend more and we have to lift it more difficulty, or else we have to, nowadays modern one, rope will come. We have to rotate. Yes or no? Some kind of stick will be there. We have to rotate. Movies and all, you maybe watch it. Yes or no, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. So why? Because actually what is the original weight of the fish? Whenever it is in air, that is what we can say actual weight of the fish. Understand, Ra? This is what we can say what? Actual weight of the fish. Now, when it will went inside the water, because of buoyant force, what will happen? Buoyant force will reduce as what? Because of buoyant force, weight of fishes, weight is decreases. Are you clear, guys? Weight is decreases so that we will feel less weight. Are you understand, Ra? Everybody? Yes or no? This is what we can
Yes, sir.
say. Now, this is only net weight is equals to, what is the net weight? You can say apparent weight. Understanding? Apparent weight minus, real weight. Real weight minus apparent weight. You can see, you can observe change in weight. That is what we can say. Change in weight is equals to real weight, WEIGHT. Real weight minus what? Apparent weight. Understand, Ra? Apparent weight. That is what I can say. Clear, everybody? So now, real weight is bigger or apparent weight is bigger always? Real weight is bigger or apparent weight is bigger? That is what. For example, if we'll take the person who is having 60 kg mass on earth, what is the weight of him? 60 into 10, which is equals to 600 newtons. Yes or no? Same
Yes, sir.
person will go to the moon. This is earth. This is the moon. Now moon, what will happen? 60 into 1.6, which is equals to how much? Which is equals to how much? How much, Ra?
Ninety-six, sir.
96, sir.
96 newtons. Clear? So now, which is actually, this is apparent weight and this is the real weight because we are living on the earth. Yes or no? This is the change. So change in weight is how much? Change in weight is 600 minus 96. This is what the change in weight will come. Is it yes, guys? Okay,
Yes,
Ra?
sir.
That is what you have to understand. So we'll get 504. Yes or no? 504 newtons is the change in weight. Same way here also, fish also, we always will find apparent, the change in weight is equals to how much means. Understanding means what is the external force we have to apply. Real weight minus apparent weight, if we'll subtract, we'll get what is the change in weight of the fish. Is it okay, guys? But who is greater always? Real weight is greater compared to the apparent weight. So now, why we people will feel less weight when we are inside the water? Because of whom? Because of whom?
Buoyant force.
Buoyant force means from the bottom. Suppose Mohanis is swimming here. Let me imagine. Mohanis is swimming here. Now his belly will experiences more force, or his back will experiences more force, guys.
Belly, sir.
Belly, because belly is sinking. Yes or no? It will be deeper inside the water, little bit compared to the surface. It is deeper inside the water always. So here the pressure is exerted more. That is why, have you heard a real scientific thing? The persons who are swimming regularly, they will lose their weight very faster. Have you noticed it? Swimming causes more healthy. Those who are swimming every day morning, 1 hour, half an hour like that, they will be more strong and they will lose their weight much faster. Have you heard this one? So many diabetic patients and those who are more big bellies and all, that persons to reduce the belly faster, they will go for swimming. Have you heard? Because this is the reason. Understanding? So when the belly is in contact with the water always, understanding, because of external force, much faster the fat will produce. Understanding? So the large amount of external force is acting on our belly from the buoyant, from the downwards. That is what we can say. Downward force, understanding buoyant force, so which will cause us while you are swimming, huge amount of energy consumes. Understand, guys? Huge amount of energy will be consumed. So much faster the fats and all will digest so that we can reduce our weight. Clear? That is what even the scientific thing present inside the swimming also. Swimming always gives good health. Okay, so this is all about it. What is cause of buoyant force? Hope you all understand what is the cause of buoyant force. Really, yes. So if you understand,
sir.
then next we'll study from tomorrow. Tomorrow is leave because of Christmas. So density, and next we'll study what is relative densities and all. Later we'll go with the Archimedes principle. Is it okay, guys? Archimedes.
Yes, sir.
And later we'll turn into what? Flotation and sinking and the principle of flotation, and as well as later we will go with the next hydrostatics. Okay, guys? Hydrostatics
Yes,
is
sir.
next level. Slowly we'll go with a complicated level. Anyhow, we already finished gravitation, correct? So we don't need to worry about the gravitation. So this is all deleted syllabus, but we will study till next 10-15 days. Once we are very clear with the relative densities, Archimedes principle and all. So because Archimedes principle such an important concept in 11th class, because Bernoulli's principles and all will come, very important high priority concept for JE also. So that is why you have to more concentrate on JE, NEET and all, whatever the competitive exams, entrances and all. These Bernoulli's concepts and all will be very important in fluid pressures. So that is why you have to learn everything, which will help us. Maybe 9th it is deleted, but not in higher classes, correct? So we have to make it everything well. That's all. So with this, I am going to stop. Advance happy Christmas, everybody. Enjoy and have a nice day
Thank you, sir.
on Sunday. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.